What is a patella or kneecap fracture? What are the problems or ramifications that a patient or client can have after injuring their kneecap in a car accident case? Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino. I'm an injury and accident lawyer, and today I'd like to talk about this patella fracture. Let me give you an idea of the anatomy of the knee briefly so you can understand what we're talking about. Here we have a replica of a knee joint. Here, the top bone is the femur bone, the bottom bone is the tibia or the shin bone. Here, this blue thing that you see here is the patellar tendon. And now this tendon actually is the attachment for the quadricep or thigh muscles. If I turn the tendon over, you will see the kneecap. So there are a number of joints in the knee. You have the inside or medial joint, the outside or lateral joint, and then you have the joint here where the kneecap is, where it comes into the femur, and that is called the patellofemoral joint. And that's what we're going to talk about today, because when you have a kneecap fracture, the problem is usually that the kneecap is pushed against the femur, and then the underside of the kneecap breaks. It can break into one piece, two pieces, three pieces, or multiple pieces. Now what happens, or what the concern is, sometimes you could just immobilize the knee and it'll heal up. Other times you have to put wires and hold the bones together. But most of the time, folks who injure their kneecap in accident cases have long-term problems. They get a softening of the underside of the kneecap called chondromalacia patella. Or they get post-traumatic or post-injury arthritis and degeneration. So, when we look at the way that the kneecap functions, it works as a fulcrum for the thigh muscles. And so when we flex the knee or extend the knee, it puts stress here, and you have to have a normal working patellofemoral joint. So these folks a lot of times will have problems kneeling, stooping, climbing stairs, going downstairs. If the degeneration starts to get too bad, sometimes the kneecap even has to be removed. That is why it is important to follow your doctor's directions if you fracture your kneecap in a car accident case. If you have any questions about a patella or kneecap fracture, you can always give me a call or visit my website and blog. It has a lot of great information. Thank you and have a nice day.